Hi friends, here some clarifications we are going to have. See, this is a screenshot indicating that fourth global conference on criminal finances and cryptocurrencies held on 18th and 19th November 2020. Organizations are Interpol, Basel Institute on Governance, Europol. And the symbol indicates what? This is the integrated chips. Simply we can call it as a hardware which supports the programming we have written, because what is an ASIC? We'll see this one. Some people are confusing that if there is any symbol like this B, simply they are thinking that it is a Bitcoin. It is not like that. It is a decentralized administration of data protocols. I'm repeating, decentralized administration of data protocols is called as blockchain. Bitcoin is having one type of blockchain. Ethereum is having a switching type of decentralized administration of protocols. So, Bitcoin used first version blockchain or first version blockchain in the world, and Ethereum used switching type of protocols to implement a blockchain. This is second version. So commonly we are having it is both are having only blockchain systems in both Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. But and this symbol is entirely different. You just see here. It is showing that backside of the B we are having a chip diagram. Why they are showing like this? So I am going to first of all clarify you people that B never indicates not only Bitcoin, it always indicates blockchain. Okay, why means Bank of Thailand to use enterprise Ethereum for retail CBDC prototype with consensus. Here also they are giving B, and here also they are giving B. If you are thinking that this is Bitcoin, why this became Ethereum? So they are not using B for indicating Bitcoin. They are using for indicating blockchains. Those cryptocurrencies are having different programming types of blockchain systems. And we'll go for next thing. What is an ASIC? How it is related with this crypto? Application specific integrated circuit is abbreviated as ASIC. The ASIC is an integrated circuit IC chip customized for a particular use rather than intended for general purpose use. For example, a chip designed to turn in a digital voice recorder or a high efficiency Bitcoin miner is an ASIC. Application specific standard product chips or intermediate between ASICs and industry standard integrated circuits like the 7400 series or the 4000 series. ASICs chips are typically fabricated using metal oxide semiconductor technology as mass integrated circuits. Here, this is the diagram. And every small IC consisting of millions of gates, millions of MOSFETs, millions of transistors, millions of diodes. As feature sizes have shrunk and design tools improved over the years, the maximum complexity and hence functionality possible in an ASIC has grown from 5,000 logic gates to over 100 million logic gates. So the size is still decreasing. That is the reason why we are having all the technologies within our Android mobile phone. That is all because of integrated chips. Modern ASICs often include entire microprocessors, memory blocks including ROM, RAM, EEPROM, flash memory, and other large building blocks. Such an ASIC is often termed as SoC, that is system on a chip. Means we are having total system on a single chip. Designers of digital ASICs often use a hardware description language such as Verilog or VHDL to describe the functionality of ASICs. Field programmable gate arrays are the modern day technology for building a breadboard or prototype from standard parts. So here one thing it is clear that we should not confuse with B symbol. There are a lot of blockchain technologies evolved. Ethereum blockchain is different, Bitcoin blockchain is different, but both are having same symbol. B never indicates Bitcoin. It indicates blockchain behind the cryptocurrency. Okay friends, thank you very much.